This video will demonstrate how to create a basic synchronized task. We already have our application open and we have our chosen synchronized folder, which will be transfer destination. We will establish a connection to our remote site. And once we have established our connection, you will see that we have our username synchronized, and we're going to synchronize the transfer destination folder to their home folder location on the remote server. We will go to Tools. We will select Synchronize Files, add a new synchronized task. This brings up the Synchronized wizard. Location 1 will match our location on the local machine, which is C, transfer destination. We hit OK, and our second location will be that of the remote server for our synchronized user account that we're already connected to. We will click Next. We will select Next. We will now click Finish. This brings up our synchronized utility window, which displays the settings we chose in the previous connection wizard. Right now we're set at default for if the files only exist on location 1, we want to move to location 2. If newer on location 1, we want to move to location 2 as well. Right now the first thing we need to do is save our CTL file. All your synchronized tasks will have the .ctl extension, and for this purpose we're going to call this a synchronize.ctl. Once we save this, it will be saved on our chosen location of the desktop, as you can see in the upper left hand corner. The synchronize.ctl file is there. At this point we can either execute or schedule the synchronized utility to run. We're going to go ahead and set up the schedule. This brings up an embedded Windows Task Scheduler window where we can also change the task name, and we will call it Synchronize. The password must match the username account that is put here by default, as this is the account that Windows is looking for to run this task successfully. So we will type in our password, and then we will confirm our password. Once this is done, if everything is correct and we click OK, you will get the task scheduled successfully. You hit OK here. Now we're going to move this window out the way so that you will see that currently the synchronized user account has no folders in it. Now we're going to choose to run this synchronized task to show you. As you can see in the back, it has already come up from the schedule that we set. We'll close this window and you will see that the transfer is taking place. Once this transfer is completed, you will see that a synchronized log file has been generated in the same location. This log file contains everything that was synchronized and everything that wasn't. It will keep up with everything that happened during the synchronized process. If you choose to move your .ctl file from the desktop to another location, the next time the synchronized process runs, this log file will be generated in the same location where the CTL file has been moved to. And if you notice, we come over here, we click refresh, and you will see now that the BIOS and CD-ROM folders are under the synchronized user account now. The transfer destination folder did not come across, and that will be explained in the second video for the advanced options of the synchronized task.